Today, we use our Simple Sharpening stone to do the experiment.
First of all, we are sharpening the knife with Simple Sharpening stone. Grab a piece of A4 paper, and this sharp knife can be easily cut off A4 paper. We then grind the same knife with a simple sharpener. Taking the A4 paper, and you will find the knife is more difficult to break the paper.
Therefore, the Simple Sharpener is more suitable for rough grinding, and the sharpening stone is much better for a shaper knife.
Let it set up 3 sets of wet stone groups. And make grinding on each one of them.
The Simple wet stone have the function to collect all the stone mud and water.
It will not stain your table and easy to clear.